Is your turn signal doing that? Stay tuned for how to fix. Well, you seen that it wasn't working quite correctly. This is the problem. I do not know how this happened, but somehow, some way it did. And it's still in contact inside of the bulb, but as you can see, it's kind of disabled itself there. So we gotta go in front here, in front of the car, and fix it. The things you'll need is your replaceable bulbs, your turn signal, your little thing your light bulb goes in, and a glove. And what do you need a glove for? Because the oils off your fingers, if you touch the bulb with just your fingers, they will shatter once you put them in. So what we got to do now is gotta put it in here. It's fairly clean. I know you can't see it too well. It's a little on the rusty side, but it should work. So what you gotta do is go ahead and put your glove on. Doesn't matter what side of your hand it goes on, or what hand it goes on, I should say. So let's just put it on my right hand, because that's my best turning hand. For some reason it is, but yeah. So go ahead and grab your light bulb, and you'll see these little BBs things, these little BBs on both sides. You'll put those down like so, like that. Then little crevice there, push down and turn. You'll have just a little bit of give, not much. So then, get your turn signal housing. Go ahead and insert it. It'll be a hole, small hole, so it'll be very easy with it. Once you get it in there, you twist it. Sometimes they can be very hateful to put in. So just work it till you get it in there. It's in. And then you'll need to go down here. Connect your wire. I don't know if you can see that or not. Very dark in here. And then go to match the square up to it. Match the square. And your little prongs there. And you'll hear a click. There's a little click. And before we go any further, you might go ahead and crank the car, or just turn it on auxiliary. And make sure it works before you go any further. So you don't have to take it back out and do it again. So we're going ahead and try that now. And as you can see, it works. So the only thing you got to do now, get your trusty screwdriver and put it back in there. And that's how you replace a light bulb or turn signal bulb on a '98 Chrysler Sybring.